And now Anita. Is that Shata? No. Oh, hello. Okay. Welcome. This is my foster daughter, Sharon. She's selling her books in the other room, so she's also acting as a guide for lost people. Okay, you go back. Yeah, guys are watching your books. Okay, thanks for your help delivering people. Thank you. Anita Aguirre Neveres is a bilingual poet from the Philippines. She earned 2 bachelor's degrees in English and Bachelor of Science, an academic scholar, first scholar, and a master's in education, major in school administration and supervision. She taught English, social sciences at the Philippine State College of Aeronautics and a number of other schools, the Pat School of Aeronautics. She is an active officer in the Filipino Seniors Organization, ELCL tutor, director of World Poetry Reading Series Society, a World Poetry Lifetime Achievement Awardee, and World Poetry Ambassador to the Philippines. Published books are 2 Songbird Singing and Potpourri. Other poems were published in different anthologies. She also co-hosts at the World Poetry Cafe radio show, and she has quite a following when she's hosting it. People stop me in the street, when's Anita coming on? When's Anita coming on? So that is a great endorsement, Anita.
Thank you, Ariane.
Please welcome Anita.
Thank you, Ariane.
Now we need the button, don't we?
Yeah. First, I will. This poem is about the Filipino national language. And for the benefit of those who do not speak my language, which is Tagalog, there are bits of information about this poem, which was written by Dr. Marcial Aguirre and myself when we were both teaching at the Philippine State College of Aeronautics. It traces the struggle of the Filipinos against the colonizers, Spanish, Americans, and the short-lived Japanese regime for a decade before the Second World War. And there are names and places about Filipinos who were very important in gaining our independence and in our own national language eventually. So, okay. Lahi ka bang kayumanggi nang likhain ka ng Diyos? Ikaw bagay silanganin, Pilipino, taga-Ilog, sa uyayi na malambing. Doon ka ba pinatulog at ginising sa kundiman at tulaing mainda? Alam mo bang balintawa, pasong tamo at binakod, at saka ang republikang nagwagayway sa Malolos? Kung gayon ang iyong wika, na matamis at malamyos, marangal at mapang-akit, maalaman na Tagalog. Ito'y wika, namnamin mo't anong sarap. Bikasin mo't anong lamyos, pakinggan mo't anong tinis. Iyang Florante at Laura, sa kabanaag at sikat, na ibanghelyo ng lahi, sa Tagalog isinula. Ito'y wikang anong lambing, ito'y wika ni Balagtas, ito'y wikang isinigaw ni Andres sa Balintawa. Ito'y wika ng lahi ko, kapag ito ay kumupas ay kasamang maglalaho nitong bayang Pilipinas. Ito'y wikang 3 siglong, inalipin ng dayuhan, pinaluha at inalo sa dasal at kumpisanan. Subalit di rin nasupil sa dasalan ni Del Pilar hinuligsa ang fraile, pumutok na parang bulkan. Sumigaw sa balintawak ang ama ng katipunan, nagbangon at naghimagsik mga anak nitong bayan. Sa kampilan at talasan, napipila ng gahaman, Republika Pilipina, sa malolos nagwagaywa. Subalit, ang wikang ito, sadya yatang sawimpalad, sa pasigan nitong bayan, dumaong ang bagong patpan. Ang sanggol na republika, hinumos ng kanyang lakas, kabihasnan na may siyang, painiyang mapangita. Nasakop na naman tayo, paaralay itinatag, itinuro ang pagbasa, ang pagbigkas at pagsulat. Ang wika ng banyaga, ang nilinang pinaunlad, at ang wikang katutubo, ibinawal ang pagbigkas. Kalahating siglo halos, bila natin binusalan, sa maraming taong singkad, dila natin tinalian, patakarang pinairan, anong higpit kung magbawal sa pagbigkas ng salitang minanamo sa magulang. Salamat kila Batute, Juliantes at Gatmaitan, binuhay nila ang Tagalog sa kanilang balagtasan. Buti at may Lopica Santos, Siriuha Panganiban, sa surian nitong wikay walang sawang tumatubay. Tumigil man itong mundo sa matining na pagtibig, ang araw man ay maglaho, patuluyan ng lumuhod. Pandamdam ko'y mamatay man, kahit dila ko lang maikilos, aking pa ring dadalitin, abakadang taga-ilo. Akin pa rin bibigkasin, tulaniyang maindayo, akin pa rin aawitin, kundi man niyang malangos. At ang huling-huli pati, ang buhay bago malagot, Diyos, ako ay Pilipino, ang wika ko ay Tagalog. By the way, I forgot to mention, Tagalog comes from the word Taga-ilog, which means from the riverside. You know, the Philippines is composed of 1,700 islands, and you know, we are full of rivers and waters. And so the Tagalog comes from the word Taga-ilog, from the riverside. Thank you very much. Oh, okay.